Ever wondered how to make a flag that moves just like real cloth in the wind? In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through creating a realistic flag animation using the cloth modifier in Max. We'll cover everything from setting up the flag and pole, adding wind, tweaking settings for ultra smooth motion, and finally, rendering a cinematic shot. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share a pro tip that'll make your animation stand out even more. Let's get started. Alright, first, we need a flag. And the easiest way to do that? A simple plane. So, let's head over to the Create panel, Standard Primitives, and select Plane. Now, let's tweak the settings. Set the length to 100 and width to 150, of course. You can adjust this depending on your scene. But if we leave it like this, the flag will look too stiff. So let's add more subdivisions by increasing the length and width segments to 40 each. This will allow the flag to bend and wave naturally instead of looking rigid. All right, now that our flag is ready, let's add the flagpole. What's a flag without a flagpole, right? Let's create one. Go to the Create panel, Standard Primitives, Cylinder. Now, set the height to 300 and the radius to 5. These values work well for this scene, but feel free to adjust them based on your needs. Now, position the cylinder to the left of the flag. You want the flag to be attached to it, so make sure it's close, but not clipping into it. Great! Now we have our base set up. Let's turn this plane into a realistic flag. Now comes the fun part. It's time to turn this plane into a real cloth flag. Select the flag, then head over to the Modifier panel and choose Cloth Modifier. But right now, the software doesn't know what this object is. So, let's define it. Click on Object Properties, and you'll see a window pop up. Find the flag object in the list, select it, and click Cloth. Now, let's give it some realistic cloth properties. So choose the cotton or silk preset from the dropdown. This preset gives the flag a lightweight and flexible feel, which is perfect for a fabric like this. Now, if we simulate, the flag will start behaving like cloth. But wait, we need to pin it to the pole first. Imagine a flag without anything holding it. It'd just fly away. Let's pin it down. So, select Cloth Modifier and choose Group. This time, select the left side vertices of the flag. This is the part we'll attach to the pole. Now, click Make Group, and then set it as Preserve. This means that area will stay locked in place. And we're not done yet. We need to make sure the flag doesn't pass through the pole. So, open Object Properties again. Click on Add Object. Then select the pole mesh and set it as a collision object. This ensures that the cloth interacts with the pole correctly, preventing it from passing through. Now, the flag is attached and will interact with the pole realistically. No wind, no movement. Let's add some force. Go to Create, Space Warps, Forces, Wind, and create a wind force. Position it slightly behind the flag, angle to push it forward for a natural breeze effect. Set the strength between 60 to 80. Higher values mean stronger wind. To make the movement feel more natural and random, increase turbulence between 0.5 to 1 for subtle variations. Keep in mind, these values may vary depending on your scene, so feel free to tweak them. Now, inside the Cloth Modifier panel, go to Cloth Forces and add the wind. Click Simulate Local to preview the effect and fine-tune if needed. And just like that, Our flag now moves realistically, flowing with the wind. It's time for pro tips now. Increase the subsample value to 5 for more accurate simulation steps, and set self-collision to 2 to prevent the cloth from intersecting with itself. This ensures a smooth and realistic flag movement. And there you have it. A realistic, flowing flag reacting naturally to wind. For smoother movement, add a mesh smooth modifier and set turbulence strength to 80 with frequency at 12 for dynamic motion. Once satisfied, hit Final Simulate to bake the animation. Try this out and drop your results in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comments, subscribe for more awesome 3D tutorials. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.